Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to edit hyperlinks in PDF files. First open photopedia.com and open the PDF file. After that, locate the URL or the hyperlink you want to edit and select the slice tool from here. After that, select the clickable zone. Then right click under this zone and click Slice Options. Give it a name right here, enter the link right here and click OK. After that, you need to export this PDF, go to File and Export As and select whether you want it in PNG, JPG or PDF. Then click Save. And here is the result. Let's test the hyperlink. And yeah, it works successfully. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.